How many black plastic delivery boxes are sitting in your kitchen right now? Take a moment to look around. That black takeaway box from your biryani, curry, or noodles. Why has it become a permanent fixture in your home? Most of us do the same thing. We order food, wash the container, and then stack it in our kitchen for later use, repurposing it for leftovers, snacks, or even hot meals. However, black plastic is more than just a convenient food container. Many black plastic containers are made from recycled materials. This can include low-grade plastic scraps, industrial waste, and in some cases, even recycled electronic waste. To give these containers a uniform appearance, manufacturers often add black pigments like carbon black. This practice obscures the actual material used in the container, making it difficult for consumers to know what they are truly storing their food in. Now imagine this: a steaming hot food packed into one of those containers. The food is hot, oily, and sometimes acidic. Under these conditions, heat can increase the migration of chemicals from the plastic into your food. These chemicals may include plasticizers, flame retardant residues, and other substances that should not be part of your meal. The real danger is not limited to a one-time use. The risk escalates when we bring these boxes into our homes and use them repeatedly. We store leftovers in them, refrigerate food in them, and some even reheat meals directly in the same container. What was meant to be a temporary packaging solution can become a long-term part of our kitchen, without us ever questioning its safety. If these containers may be unsafe, why are they still in use? The reason is that black plastic is not banned in India. According to current food safety regulations, any plastic container can be legally used if it meets the approved food grade standards set by the FSSAI. This means that the problem is not solely about the black color. It involves whether the specific container used by a restaurant comes from a verified food-safe supply chain. This is where the issue arises. Many restaurants and cloud kitchens opt for black plastic containers because they are inexpensive, leak-resistant, and readily available in bulk. They also present a premium appearance for food deliveries. Food delivery platforms like Swiggy and Zomato typically do not select the packaging themselves. The restaurant or kitchen making the purchase decides what to use. So who is accountable? The restaurant is directly responsible for the packaging it chooses. Food regulators set the rules. However, as consumers, we also have a role to play, because we rarely question the packaging our food comes in. If we silently accept unsafe packaging, businesses have no incentive to change. What can you do? If your food arrives in a black plastic box, do not store it in that container. Transfer the food immediately into steel, ceramic, or glass. Avoid storing or reheating food in those boxes. And if you already have black plastic containers sitting in your cupboards, it might be time to dispose of them. Before black plastic contributes to pollution in Hyderabad, it may already be affecting your health. A cleaner city starts with safer homes, and a zero-waste city begins with informed choices.